Hello everyone. Pause the video and try to answer each question before checking the solution. In this video, we will cover the 2024 ICSE Board Question Paper and Specimen Paper MCQ questions for computer applications. These questions will help you prepare effectively and score well in the board exam. Let's get started. This is a 2024 board question. Pause the video and try to answer. The question is, polygon is the object and pictures are classes. Both polygon and pictures are classes. The polygon is the class and the pictures are objects. Both polygon and pictures are objects. Correct answer, option 3. Polygon is the class and pictures are objects. Objects contain the characteristics and behavior defined by the class. Question 2. If x is equal to 98, char ch is equal to char x, what is the value stored in ch? Answer. X is equal to 98 represents the ASCII value of the character. The ASCII code of small a to z is 97 to 122. The ASCII code of capital A to Z is 65 to 90. Since 98 corresponds to B, the answer is option 1, B. Question 3. What is the output of the statement? Concentration, dot index of T. Answer. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The index of T is 6. Correct answer. Option 3, 6. Question 4. Which access specifier provides the least accessibility? Answer. Private has the least accessibility. Public has the highest accessibility. Correct answer. Option 4, private. Question 5. What is the output of talent dot compare to genius? Answer. The ASCII code of T is 116 and the ASCII code of G is 103. So, 116 minus 103 equals 13. Correct answer. Option 4, 13. Question 6. Which of the following is an escape sequence character in Java? Answer. Escape sequences in Java include \t, tab, \n, new line. Correct answer. Option 2, \t. Question 7. If a greater than B and B greater than C, which number is the largest? Answer. Since a greater than B and B greater than C, A is the largest. Correct answer. Option 3, A. Question 8. What is the output of math.ceil 5.4 plus math.ceil 4.5? Answer. Math.ceil 5.4, 6.0. Math.ceil 4.5, 5.0. Correct answer. Option 2, 11.0. Question 9. Which method checks whether a character is a letter or digit? Answer. The correct method is option 3 is letter or digit, char. In option 2 there is no char parameter. In option 1 is digit, char. This method only checks if the character is a digit, not a letter. Option 4 is invalid. So, correct answer is option 3. Question 10. What is the extension of a Java source code file? Answer. A Java source code file has the .java extension. Correct answer. Option 4, .java. Question 11. How many bytes does a 4-row, 3-column character array occupy? Answer. Total characters. 4 times 3 equals 12. Each character is equal to 2 bytes. Total size is equal to 12 times 2 equals 24 bytes. Correct answer. 24 bytes. Question 12. Which data type cannot be used in a switch case construct? Answer. Double cannot be used in switch statements. Correct answer. Option 4, double. Switch statement does not support double and Boolean data type. It supports int, char, string data type. Question 13. Which of the following are entry control loops? Answer. for loop and while loop are entry control loops. Do while is an exit control loop. Correct answer, option A and B, for while. Question 14. Which method reverses a given number? Impure method, pure method, constructor or destructor? Answer, pure method. Reason, a pure method in Java is a method that returns a value based only on its input arguments, does not modify any external variables or system state, does not change any class fields or input values. In the context of reversing a number, a pure method accepts the number as input and returns its reversed form without altering any external state. Question 15. If the name of the class is yellow, what should be its constructor name? Answer, class name and constructor name must be the same. Correct answer, yellow. Question 16. What is the term for invoking a method by passing an object? Answer, passing an object is known as call by reference. Correct answer, option A, call by reference. When an object is passed to a method, the method receives a reference, memory address, to the original object. Any changes made inside the method affect the original object. Question 17. What is the correct statement to create an object named mango of class fruit? Answer, option 2. In Java, creating an object follows the syntax class name object name is equal to new class name. Here fruit is the class name and mango is the object name, so correct statement is fruit mango is equal to new fruit. In option 2 f of fruit is capital, but in question it is lowercase, so it is not valid. Question 18. Can a static method access static and instance variables? Can static variable be accessed only by static method? Answer, a static method cannot access instance variables directly. It can access using object. Hence assertion is false and reason also false because a static variable can be accessed by both static and instance method. So answer is option 4. Question 19. Given the array, string color is equal to blue, red, violet. What is the length of color 2? Answer, color 2 is equal to violet. Length of violet is 6. Correct answer, option 1, 6. Question 20. Which mathematical method always returns an integer? Math.ceil, math.sqrt, math.floor, math.round. Answer, math.round returns an integer. Correct answer, option 4, round. Now let us see the answers of the 20 MCQ. This is question 2. First do yourself, then check your answers.
Now come to the answer. This is your ABS means absolute math.abs a plus b. Then forward slash, give forward slash, then math.sqrt, math.pow a comma 2 plus math.pow b comma 2, or you can write a into a plus b into b. Now question number 2. This is your answer is 4. This is post increment, so value of 4 is here 4, then it is 5, then here it is 6. This is pre increment, so this is a 6, so 4 into 6. Multiplication and modulus same priority. First come will be first executed, so multiplication will be executed first. Now this is your 4. S equal to 10, y equal to 20. This is do loop. In here in do loop, this is x plus plus y plus plus given, no statement is given, statement is given outside of the loop. So in the for loop there will be no statement, outside of the for loop there will be statement. This will be empty loop, and this increment decrement will be in this for loop. the heading of the for. This is x plus plus y plus plus, and you can write this one x equal to 10, y equal to 20. You can write here also. There will be no body part. This will be empty loop, and this statement will be outside of the for loop. Give the output of the following program segment. How many times is the loop executed? This is s equal to 10, s greater than 20 is given. The condition is given s greater than 20, value of x is 10. So the loop will not be executed. So how many times the loop will be executed? 0. And what will be the value? This is your impossible. So this loop, this statement cannot be executed. There is no curly bracket, so it takes only one statement. This statement is outside of the for loop, so it takes the one statement and it will not be executed. S equal to 10. Now this is 10 into 2 is 20. So output is 20 and loop executes 0 times. This is given string s1 equal to this much, string s2 equal to this much, double d1 equal to this much, double d2 equal to this much, d1 plus d2. d1 plus d2 means it will add these two, and this is your 100 plus 0. Now integer value. This is explicit type of conversion. In here it will convert, decimal will convert to integer, and it will be 100. 100.0 will be converted to 100. Now next, array. What is the order of the array? How many row and how many column? This is row means this is 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, 4 row. This is 4 row, and column is 1, 2, 3. 3 column. 4 row, 3 column. So order is 4 by 3. Order of the matrix is 4 by 3. 4 row, 3 columns. And what is the value of x00? X00. This is your 0 row. This is 1. Index is always 0. So this is 0 row. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is known as x0, x1, x2, x3. Here 0 row, 0 column. This is your 0 row, 0 column is 4. And 2 row, 2 column. 2 row means this is 0 row, this is 1 row, this is 2 row. 2 row is this one, and 2 column is this is 0 column, 1 column, 2 column. 2 column is 10. So 4 plus 10 is 14 is the answer. Next question is, what is unboxing, auto-washing and unboxing? This is an important question. Unboxing and auto-washing and unboxing. Boxing means converting primitive type to wrapper class. Unboxing means wrapper class to primitive type. This is the example. Norm equal to int norm equal to 10, integer object equal to norm. Here object equal to 20, int norm equal to object. This is your example. It occurs when assigning a primitive value to a wrapper object. It occurs when assigning a wrapper object to primitive variable. Next is identify the statement which has the error. Here is given boolean x equal to a dot compared to. A dot compared to always returns integer. Here is given boolean. So this is error. We can write here, write this one, boolean s equal to a dot compared to equal to 0. That means is a and b both are equal. This statement means is both are equal. If no, then output is false. Output is false. If we write int x equal to a dot compared to b, what will be the output? The output will be -3. How? Here a is king and b is kingdom. Here how can you find this one? King equal. There is no character. So it will find the difference of two strings. Difference of length of two strings. This length is 4 and this length is 7. 4 minus 7 is -3. The output will be -3 if we write here int s equal to a dot compared to b. The output will be -3. Next. Consider the given program and answer the question given below. What concept of oops is depicted in the above program with two constructors? What is the output of the method main? The concept of constructor overloading is depicted in the program. Output of the main method is 10 and 30. This is overloading function. This is your overload. Why overload? This is here is a function name temp. Here is also temp. So there are two function name temp. So this is your overloaded function. What concept of oops is depicted in the above program? Overloading. Constructor overloading. Why constructor overloading? Because class name is temp and function name is temp. When class name and function name is same, this is known as constructor. And if there are more than one function name, same function name, then this is known as overloading. So this is your constructor overloading. Output of the main method. Main method output, what will be the output of the main method? Temp t equal to new temp, temp x equal to new temp 30, t dot print, x dot print. T means this is the object, T is the object, dot print. Print means where the print here. Here is print. System dot print ln A. A equal to, this is T dot print. Here there is no parameter. Here T object, here there is no parameter. X dot print. Here in X object there is parameter. So T dot print means this function will be called, and here it will be print A. A means this is your instance value. This A equal to 10. This will be print. T dot print means it will go to this function. This function will be called and this will be executed, this line, and value of A will be 10. Now this is your S dot print means this will come to here, but this is your parameter is 30, so it will be print 30. 10, 30 is the output. Next question. Primitive data types are built-in data types which are a part of the wrapper class. These wrapper classes are encapsulated in the java.lang package. Non-primitive data types like scanner class are a part of the utility package for which an object needs to be created. To which package the character and boolean classes belong. Character and boolean are primitive data types, and primitive data types are belong to wrapper class, and wrapper class belong to java.lang. So boolean, character and boolean class belong to which package? Java.lang package. Primitive data types are part of wrapper class. Wrapper class is a part of java.lang. So character and boolean are part of the java.lang. Then write the statement to access the scanner class. To access the scanner class, statement is import java.util.scanner. Come to this specimen paper 2024. Here given, name the feature of Java depicted in the below picture. Encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction, polymorphism. It is your inheritance because father and child is given. Child inherits some characteristics from his parents. Acquiring some features from another class is known as inheritance. Question number 2. The expression which uses greater than equal operator is known as dash. Greater than equal, less than, greater than, double, equal to, not equal to are relational operator, and logical operator is and or not. One question will be the relational logical operator. From relational logical operator there will be one question. And or not is logical, and less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to relational operator. Next question. Ternary operator is a dash. Ternary operator is a conditional operator. Ternary operator is known as conditional operator because there is a condition. When primitive data type is converted to a corresponding object of its class, it is called DEX. Primitive data type converted to object, so it is boxing. Reverse is unboxing. This answer is boxing. Boxing and unboxing. Important question. The number of bytes occupied by a character array of 10 elements. Character array of 10 elements. Character occupies 2 bytes. Then 10 element means 2 into 10, that is 20 bytes. This is 20 bytes. The method of scanner class used to accept a double value is next double. This is next double. This is to accept an integer value is next int. And this is next is for a string without space. And next line is for a string with space. Among the following, which is a keyword? Every, all, case, each. Case, switch case. Case is a keyword. The output of math.round plus math.seal. Math.round is 6.6 means this is 7, not 7.07. Math.seal 3.4 means it is 4.0. This is 7, this is 4.0, so this is your 11.0. System.out.print hello. Name the type of error. There is no semicolon. Semicolon missing, so this is your syntax error. Syntax error is the grammatical error. Semicolon missing is the syntax error, and runtime error is the anything divided by 0 or square root of negative number is runtime error, which is not possible, which is indefinite or some cannot say. And logical error if there is an error in logic. Java statement to access the fifth element of an array. Fifth element means index is 4. Always index is -1. Fifth element is index is 4, x4. The output of remarkable dot substring 6. Substring 6. Substring 6 means this is your 6. 0, R is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is A. 6 index is A. 6 to last index. So able, ABLE is your output. 6 means up from 6 to last. Which of the following is the wrapper class for the data type char? For data type char, character is the wrapper class. C capital. Name the package that contains wrapper classes. Java.lang. Java.lang is the package that contains wrapper class. Constructor overloading follows which principle of object-oriented programming? Constructor overloading follows polymorphism, means same name, different function, polymorphism. Which of the following is a valid integer constant? 4 is the valid integer constant. Here is given 4.0, no 4.3f, no 4, no, only 1. The method compared to returns dash when two strings are equal. When two strings are equal, it returns 0. Compared to return 0 when two strings are equal. Otherwise, it will return +1 or -1. It never returns true or false. In Java, statement written in lowercase letter or uppercase letter are treated as the same. No, this is false. Java is a case-sensitive language. Yes, this is true. This is false. This is true. Assertion false and reason true. This one, fourth one. Read the following text and choose the correct answer. A class encapsulates data members that contain the information necessary to represent the class and member method that perform operations on the data member. What does a class encapsulate? Class encapsulates data member and member methods. Call by value is known as pair method. The original value of variable does not change as a operation is performed on copied values. Yes, both are true. What will be the output for this one? System.out.print character.to lowercase 1. 2 lowercase 1. It will be 1. There will be no change 1. So this is 2. Write the Java expression for p plus q square. This is your power 2. So math.power p plus q bracket 2. Give p plus q. This is common bracket, then comma 2. Evaluate the expression where the value of x equal to 2. Value of x equal to, evaluate this one and find your answer is 10 or not. See this expression. This is x equal to 2. This is post increment means this is 2 and it is changed to 3 and then plus x means 4. So 2 plus 4 here. 2 plus 4 is here and here also 4. So this is your 10. Find the error. Boolean dh equal to true, boolean cr equal to true. If dh and cr, system.println, you cannot go out. Else system.println, you can go out. The code segment should print, you can go out. You can go out. Print, you can go out. Here given, if You have done your homework and cleaned your room. If both are done, both are true, then you have to print. You can go out, but here written you cannot go out. So extend this statement. This statement will be here and this statement will be here. Extend this two statement. Same, execute the following program segment and the answer displayed is 0, irrespective of any non-zero values are given. Name the error, how the program can be modified to get the correct answer. This is 1 by 2. This will be 0. The area will be 0 because 1 divided 2 is integer division and it will be question part 0. So whatever your B and H, the answer always 0. So to correct this one, put here 0.0, 1 by 2.0 or 1.0 by 2 for fractional division. How many times will the following loop execute? This is int x equal to 2, int y equal to 50 given. Here see, initial value of x is 2, initial value of y is 50. Now, in first iteration, value of x is here 3. This is pre-increment, so value of x is 3 and y equal to y minus x plus plus. Y equal to y minus x plus plus, value of y is 50, 50 minus x plus plus means value of x is here 3, but value is changed to 4. Okay, it will be changed to 4. Now this is 3 post increment, so this is 3, but value is changed to 4. So next, plus plus x. In second iteration, plus plus x means value of x is your 5. This was 4, then this is 5. In second iteration, it is 5. And here y equal to y minus x plus plus means 47 minus 5. Here 47 minus 5, but it is changed to 6. Similarly, after this one, fourth iteration, this is 9 and this is your 35 minus 9, but it is changed to 10. So next iteration, plus plus x means this is your 11. Now after this iteration, this is the value of x is 12. So this condition is false. X less than equal to 10, this condition is false. So it will stop. The loop will continue up to 5 and final value of y will be 15. This is the answer. Now next question. Write the output of the following string method. Artificial dot index of I. Index of I, this is 0, 1, 2, 3. Index of I is 3. Dog and puppy dot trim dot length. Dot trim dot length, it will trim the space from left and right, not in between, from left and right. So what is the length? This is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Length is 13. Okay, trim means it will remove the space from left and right. There is no space from left right. So this is your 13. Name any two jump statement. Any two jump statement is break, continue, return. Read the output of the following code snippet. String A equal to this much, B equal to this much, P equal to integer dot %, Q equal to integer dot %. Means it is string, it is converted to integer, and then this is A plus asterisk plus B. Here value of A is 20, value of B is 23. 20, then asterisk, then 23. When there is no explicit initialization, what are the default values set for variables in the following case? Integer variable, default value of integer is 0, default value of string variable is none. int p equal to this much, q equal to this much, place all elements of p array and q array in the array R, one after the other. What will be the size of the array? This is size 1, 2, 3, 4. This is size 1, 2, 3. So 4 plus 3, 7. Size of the array will be 7. And write index position of first and last element. First element is 0 and last element is 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. Last index is the length minus 1. So this is section A is over. Specimen copy 2024.